Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing the drop test on the iPod Touch 5th generation. This is the same one that went through the water, and John's in really good shape. It actually seems to be pretty much fully recovered minus the power button. There you go, it's fully working. I have no Wi-Fi here, so I can't go past that, but we'll go waist height drop on the back. In 3, 2, 1. So from that, a few marks up there. The camera lens looks okay. A little bit of a mark there. A dent by the Apple logo. Other than that, seems to be okay. We'll go corner drop in 3, 2, 1. So from that, looks like all we got is a few marks there. Might have rebounded up there. It did hit the screen when it came back, but everything else looks fine. Still responsive. Just gonna do the face down. I know it's not gonna survive though, but hope for the best. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, it looks like it did. It might have hit towards the angle a little bit, but we'll let it go. A few marks there. A few on that side, it looks like. But the glass is okay. We'll go back. Go back from head height in 3, 2, 1. Obviously the screen looks okay. A few marks around the camera, but it did actually hit the camera, but it didn't crack it or anything, just hit that metal border around it. Looks pretty good overall. Screen is still good. That's going to be the worst one, is a corner drop in 3, 2, 1. The back of the corner and then slid on the display. So it looks like it hit that same corner again, maybe. Did take some marks on the screen, but overall pretty good. I don't see, looks like maybe a light chip on the plastic bezel around it, but other than that, looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and crack it now, because I know it's going to shatter on the head height face down in 3, 2, 1. I think that one landed on the back again. So we'll probably have to redo the front, because I think it hit the back. But still no damage to the camera lens. So we'll try that again in 3, 2, 1. Alright, that one was pretty good. And of course it shattered. Still functional though, just cracked. But I mean, it could have been worse. Let's go ahead and try to break the camera lens in 3, 2, 1. It got worse. The camera lens is still not cracked. There's glass in my hand now. So that's cool. I'm going to go ahead and just throw it up in the air and see what happens. So here it is. Still working, it looks like. LCD is damaged now. It's very dim. Looks like it hit, oh man, right on this corner too, so kind of landed maybe flat like that. You see it wrinkled the housing there. The volume button's no good. Not bent though. Looks like the volume button is constantly being pushed, so we're going to throw it again. 3, 2, 1. And that looks to have killed the display now. I'm not sure where it hit on that one. It's definitely bent though. And so I'm just going to kind of slide it and see how the back does on scratches. So not too bad of shape right now. I know it's like the iPhone 5 series and 5S, they would have scratched really bad. So it's pretty much no exception. So pretty deep groove right there. Camera lens still not cracked, but definitely hit around it. Screen is popping out. Camera is popping out as well. So that looks to be it for the iPod, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.